Villa Hammerschmiede. 5 stars. Get the celebrity treatment with world-class service at Villa Hammerschmiede. This 5-star hotel occupies a historic villa on top of a hill. Just outside of the northern Black Forest, in Pfinztal-Söllingen, it offers award-winning cooking and spacious, elegant accommodations. Rooms and suites are available at the Villa Hammerschmiede. These are bright rooms individually decorated with a mix of modern and antique furniture. All feature views of the surrounding gardens. Great spa, sauna, exercise pool, steam room and an amazing restaurant. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. For us Belgian people, a good place for an break to travel to the South Sea or Italy. Dinner was excellent and the breakfast too. Kind people. Love this place for 15 years. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.